akaroro ko kuterera bebembezi abarakwatire bendere kigombe cha NRM nako kuterwa 2016 byo kwezi kwa mushanjo mwaka ogo kandi abatezi bakaroro nibashabwo kwetwaza kurunji no kugira akaroro kihorere
aruna ka NRM kashemye kugira mu rwari ne byo kujumirana ne byo kubeherana bokwati turiyo mu family issues yo nani mashangu turaninge tukora karuru
For electrification, we are remaining with about 15%. Every village, we are remaining with about 11 to 15% of the constituency to complete electrification. We are building, the government, we persuaded the government to build us a district hospital, and we are working on the Metoma Rukunjiri Road.
Hina abanyishengero abatwiro mu ishengero kandi bashaba batoro kweta bo mu kutera karora ka
baheza kunominatinga aspiring member of parliament wigarisi constituency ukongera kushyohereza abantu bite wigarisi constituency abanyabushengi ni hangariyone
nk'ebintu ebichikweta legacy projects nkamashanyarazi nkengudo nonji ebyo nebintu ebiturwande munonga because of National Development Plan 4.
Nimbasha bo buhagezi manyangwe biro 16 kwa mushanju nakaruru nimbasha ba akaruru nyendagaruka kubakwatire bendera kubajwekero mu ishengero kamembo wa parliament mukazi
nge n'abanyakitagwende nama yawa
nga ekisanja ekya kabiri obunu bwo bwire obwo kukora ebyo ebire bisigire
amazinda ni Nyakikongoro Rosemary mucyaro mujekerwa abwashema district naheza ku garepa plazanje hatinde candidate umutongore okuza kujwekera shema antebe y'abacyara shema district ni impango ebitukozire bibe bitakashikiremu noreba nkiye abantu bona betaga amashanyarazi amize ayikakire mbajana ubwija ryari amashanyarazi agakire ngija ryari ebyo byona watagarukireyo okaconnectinga na network yo biro yine okabisyayo nibibanza byasarara so
abesimbere hobosya bina masiko go kureta hempinda hinduka ombyanga byabo
okongera mwamani okureba ngo biro 16 byo kwezi kwa mushanju 2025 twahangura karuraka
nko mujwekerwa omucyara om parliament abantu barubirizi nimbaraganisa this time round you are going to be fully and solely represented.
NRM people are ready to vote their own because even when you hear the calls from the villages about people we have nominated, it means they have interest in whatever we are doing.
Okuhamya besimbereho okuhayahayanira entebe zitaro zimwe na zimwe nokuza kuhendera ebiro 30 byo kwezoko kandi okuhandika barayita bo mu karoro ka sek nokwija kutandika ebiro 16 byo kwezoko gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza omuri Kampala.